What's up, everybody? I hope you're all doing fantastically today. This is going to be a quick little video, but I hope that you guys find it interesting, amusing, maybe a little bit funny even. A lot of people like to change the color of their badges, especially if they're new to modifying their vehicles, and so that's what I'm going to be doing today. We have a 2010 Chevrolet Suburban, and the back bow tie has been looking a little bit sad ever since we got it, actually. So let me go ahead and show you this. So if you guys will look right there, especially along these edges, you can see that it's, well, not looking its best. And it's been that way ever since we've had it, but it's gotten progressively worse. And so I figured, hey, I've got this grayish, kind of like the color of the car, vinyl wrap that I used back in October to wrap my parents' motorcycle helmets for a Fortnite costume. That was a pretty big fail. The helmets definitely was a bit of an ambitious project to start on. However, I think that on a surface this small, it's very, very feasible for me to get a good wrap job that doesn't look stupid and have a bunch of bubbles. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing today. Just a quick little time lapse of that, and I hope you guys find it interesting and enjoyable. We just got done washing it, and so I wanted to do this as soon as possible so that I could have the best possible bonding surface for the vinyl. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Definitely not perfect, but I think that it looks a lot better than the disintegrating, disgusting, gross looking bow tie that it was before, so I'm going to call it a win. I actually already did the front. Let's take a look at that. It's a little dark in the garage, lighting's not quite as good, but I think that the front turned out pretty great as well. That way we just got matching on both sides. And I think with that, we're just going to call this video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I know it wasn't really a super long, crazy video, but I hope that you found it entertaining, enjoyable, and it shows that you can vinyl wrap Chevy bow tie badges and they will turn out looking pretty decent as long as you get a color that's pretty close to your vehicle. I didn't want to go with Plastidip like a lot of people do. I don't really love the idea of Plastidiping badges because I feel like Plastidip comes off as looking kind of cheap and gross a lot of the time, so that's why I'm doing this rather than doing something else. I wouldn't have done this if I didn't have nice vinyl like that, and I'm glad that it ended up looking good. It looks a lot better than the helmets that I tried to do before, so I'm going to call it a win. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and comment and tell me what you thought so that I can make my videos better, and share this with all your friends so they can see that vinyl wrapping badges is the way to go. Peace out.